Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today we are here with a half-up style, super quick and easy, just two little ponytails flipped over and then into two more or less messy buns that I created with rope twist braids. If you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell for not missing any new tutorial. Let's get started. For this hairstyle, I did a middle parting. We always want to take the nose as reference, and then from there at the end of the parting, I go until behind her ear. And now measure more or less 3 fingers wide and go from the front until the parting that you did to the ear. And tie off this portion, this rectangular shape portion of hair. You just tie it off with an elastic for the time being, and you do exactly the same on the other side. Go with the comb until behind the ear and then measure 3 fingers wide. Go here with the tail from the comb, for example, just under the hair, lift it up, separate, and then tie off with an elastic. And here you have the 2 partings. The rest of the hair I tie off in a low ponytail, and then I just take little elastics, and at the end of the portion that I sectioned off, I do a little ponytail. The topsy tail tool I bring through from behind, and then I bring the ponytail through and I flip this portion under. You can just separate the hair with your fingers and flip the ponytail through like you wish. I prefer to do it with the topsy tail tool because long hair sometimes is tricky. So here again, a little ponytail, then the topsy tail tool from behind, bring the ponytail through, hold the ponytail close to the hair tie, bring the tail through and then flip it under, pull, and that's it. Now here I used before braiding these 2 ponytails that I flipped under. Some hair oil, especially in summer, is very necessary. And then I'm going to section 2 strands. We're going to make a rope twist braid. A rope twist braid is easily done. You just turn the hair, twist it to one side and bring then one strand over to the opposite side. I like to leave the ends in a loop because that's just easier to fix them later in the bun. And then I do the same on the other side, and now we just wrap around the base of the ponytail these rope twist braids. Use bobby pins, as many as you need, to keep it in shape, to just fix everything in place, and do the same on the other side. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. Even I am happy with the style does not mean that my daughter is happy, so she always has to check first. And now she complained that she does not have her little strands in the front out, but I don't know, it's Summer who wants hair in his face or in her face. So here our final result for this super quick 5-minute easy hairstyle, half-up style. Hope you like it. If you're new on our channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you share the videos, also very beneficial for us. So we upload videos 1 to 2 times a week. Hope you liked it, and see you back very soon in the next tutorial. Bye bye.